Hello class 7 students. So let's begin our maths class. Children, we were doing chapter number 2, fractions and decimals. So we'll continue with that only. So today I'll explain questions of exercise 2.1. Okay, starting with question number 6. You have to reduce the following fractions to simplest form. Now the question is 48 upon 72 and you have to reduce in the simplest form. So I will tell you 3 methods how you can do this question. First of all, you can find the HCF of these two numbers 48 and 72. So I have used the division method to find the HCF. See children, we will divide the greater number by the smaller number. Like 72 is divided by 48. So 48 ones are 48. We will subtract and the remainder is 24. Now we will divide this 48, this quotient, by this remainder. We will write 48 here. So 24 twos are 48 and the remainder is 0. So till we are getting 0 remainder, we will keep on dividing. So the last divisor is called the HCF of these two numbers. So that means the HCF of 48 and 72 is 24, highest common factor. That means we can divide both these numbers by 24. So 48 divided by 24 upon 72 divided by 24. So what will come? 48 divided by 24 is 2 and 72 divided by 24 is 3. So this is the lowest form of the fraction, simplest form, 2 upon 3. Now one more thing you can do, you can find the prime factors of both these numbers. So first finding the prime factors of 48. So 2 2s are 4, 2 4s are 8, then 2 12s are 24, 2 6s are 12, 2 3s are 6 and 3 1s are 3. So 48 can be written as 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 in terms of the prime factor. Similarly, you will write now 72 in terms of the prime factors. Let us do the prime factors of 72. 2 3s are 6, 2 6s are 12, 2 1s are 2, 2 8s are 16, 2 9s are 18, 3 3s are 9, 3 1s are 3. So what are the prime factors of 72? 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3. Now you can cut this 2 with this 2. 2 1s are 2, 2 1s are 2. Similarly, 1 2 cut with this. One more 2 cut. And we can cut this 3 with this. So what is remaining in the numerator? Only 2 upon, and what is remaining in the denominator? Only 3. So 48 upon 72 equals to 2 upon 3. Simplest form of this fraction. One more thing children you can do. If you are smart enough, you can divide directly here. Short division method. Now you guess, find out which number you can divide both these numbers. So if it is even number, if the unit digit is even number, obviously you can divide by 2. So 2 2s are 4, 2 4s are 8. Short division method I am applying. And similarly 2 3s are 6, carry 1, 2 6s are 12. Again they can be divided by 2. 2 12s are 24, 2 18s are 36. Again you can cut by 2. Also you can cut by 6. 6 2s are 12. Sorry, 6 2s are 12. 6 3s are 18. So what is the answer? 2 upon 3. So children, you can apply any method. Either you can find the HCF and divide both the numbers by the HCF, or you can do by prime factorization method. You can cut the common numbers and the remaining is the answer, or you can divide both by these by the common factors. Now question number 8 is that you have to arrange these fractions in descending order. Question number 8. So first of all, you have to convert these fractions into equivalent like fractions. And for making them equal and like fractions, you have to take the LCM of the denominators. So in question number 7 also you will do like this only. For converting into equal and like fractions, you will take the LCM of the denominators and you will then change the numerators also. So I have taken the LCM of 9, 3 and 21. So this is how I have taken the LCM. So what is the LCM? 3 3s are 9, 9 7s are 63. So the LCM of these three numbers is 63, least common multiple. Now I will convert each fraction into the denominator of 63. So 2 upon 9 equals to dash upon 63. Because I know, because the LCM is 63, I have to convert the denominators into 63. Now you will see which number you are multiplying 9 to convert into 63. You know, 9 7s are 63. So you will multiply the numerator also by the same number. So 2 7s are 14. So 2 upon 9 is equivalent to 14 upon 63. Now 3. So when does 63 comes in the table of 3? 3 21s are 63. So you will multiply 2 also by 21. So what will come? 42. So this is 42 upon 63 is equivalent to 2 upon 3. Now the third fraction, 8 upon 21. You know, 21 into 3 is 63. So you will multiply 8 also by 3. So 8 3s are 24. So 14 upon 63, 42 upon 63 and 24, 63 are the equivalent like fractions. Now you can easily arrange them in descending order by comparing the numerators. So descending order means you have to start from the largest number. So which is the biggest number among 14, 42 and 24? Obviously 42. So 42 upon 63 is greater than 24 upon 63 is greater than 14 upon 63. So you can arrange a fraction in ascending or descending order only if the denominators are the same, and then you can compare the numerators. Now you can write the original fraction. What is the original fraction of 42 upon 63? 2 upon 3. This is greater than 8 upon 21 and it is greater than 2 upon 9. So this is the required answer. Okay children, now question number 9 is also the same. You have to arrange the given fraction in ascending order. So first you will find the LCM of 18, 15, 24 and 12 and you will change the numerators. And then you will compare and arrange them in ascending order. Ascending order means starting from the lowest, smallest fraction you will start. Okay children? Now we will do exercise number 2.2. Now what is there in 2.2? You have to evaluate, solve the fractions. So what is question number 1? 4 upon 3 plus 7 upon 8. Now you have to add these fractions. So for adding the fractions, first you have to convert, same like you did in ascending and descending order, into equivalent like fractions. And so, what you have to do? First, you have to take the LCM of the denominators. So, what is the LCM of 3 and 8? 24. So, you will write like this. Make a dash, write 24. Now, you know 3 8s are 24. So, you will multiply the numerator by the same number. 4 8s are. Plus, and you know 8 3s are 24. So you will multiply 7 by 3. 7 into 3. So this becomes 32 plus 21 upon 24. And what is 32 plus 21? 53 upon 24. So since this is an improper fraction, you will convert into mixed fraction. You divide the numerator by the denominator. So what will come? 24 2s are 48. And what is the remainder? 5. So what is the answer? 2 whole number 5 upon 24. This is the answer. Now I will do question number 2, second part. You have to simplify these fractions. Okay. So 6 whole number 1 upon 8 minus 2 whole number 1 upon 12 minus 5 whole number 1 upon 10 plus 3 whole number 7 upon 25. First of all, you will convert into improper fractions. So how will you do it? 8 6 are 48 plus 1, 49 upon 8 minus 12 2s are 24 plus 1, 25 upon 12 minus 10 5s are 50 plus 1, 51 upon 10 plus 25 3s are 75 plus 7, 82 upon 25. Now I will find the LCM of these denominators. 8, 10, 12, 10, 25. So I will start dividing by the smallest number by which any of the number is divided. So 2 4s are 8, 2 6s are 12, 2 5s are 10, 25 cannot be divided by 2, so I will copy this 25. Again I will divide by 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6, copy 5 and 25. Again by 2 1s are 2, 3, 5, 25. Now I can divide by 3. 3 1s are 3, copy 5 and 25. Now divide by 5. 1, 1, 5 1s are 5, 5 5s are 25. So last divides are 5, 1, 1. So I am getting 1, 1, 1. Now I have to multiply all these numbers. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 3s are 24, 24 into 5, 5 4s are 20, 5 is 11, 120, 120 into 5, 5 is 5 is 600. So what is the LCM? 600. Now you will change the numerators. Now how will you see? So by which number you are multiplying 8 to get 600? See children, either you can divide 600 by 8 and then you will get that number, or you can see from this LCM. See, 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, and what is remaining? 5 5s are 25, 25 into 3, 75. That means 8 into 75 is 600. So you will multiply 49 by 75. A little big calculations are there. Now you will check for 12. 2 2s are 4 and 4 3s are 12. So what is remaining? 5 5s are 25 into 50. That means 12 into 50 is 600. So multiply 25 by 50. Now 10. How will you get 10? 10 into 60, 600. So 51 multiplied by 60. Now 25. How will you get? This see, 5 is a 25 is there, and what is remaining? 3 2s are 6, 6 2s are 12, 2s are 24. That means 82 you will divide by 24. So quickly do these calculations and tell me. Okay, so you have you calculated? So what is 49 into 75? 3675 minus 25 into 50 is 1250 minus what is 51 into 60? 3060 plus, and what is 82 into 24? 1968. Now first you will add 3675 and 1968. So you will get 5643. You will add these two also, because minus minus is plus, but the sign comes of minus. So when you add these two numbers, you will get 4310. Now you will subtract these two numbers, and so you will get 1333 upon 600. So then you will convert into mixed fraction by dividing 1333 by 600. You will get this answer. 2 whole number 133 upon 600. So this is the answer. So hope children that you must have understood these questions.